Hi everyone, this is Elon, Program Manager and Founder. Thank you for taking the step in the right direction to learn and unlock the opportunities that are available for your career development. Let me tell you, you have made a step in the right direction. It's really awesome that you can connect with us because we want to help you to achieve and exceed all your goals. Guys, let me be transparent with you. I finished my education full of anxiety. I felt like I was not fully ready for the next step in my journey of starting a career despite receiving a quality education. I had many questions about whether it was enough for the path I had chosen or if I should just transition into the world of work, do my best, learn, and see how it goes. Even this idea gave me more questions. How would I do this? What would be my strategy for success? My mental health was at an all-time low. It was until I decided to execute a research to understand how lack of preparedness can be reduced and connected with guidance counselors, mentors, and experts did I start to figure out and improve my motivation and confidence. I gained several strategies and made it my goal to provide guidance to others who are challenged in making career decisions. If you are ready to map your career by considering your options and creating a plan for education and your career journey, then Sunbeam Career Development is where you want to be. Our guidance session, our resume building, and our courses will be excellent to help you to clarify the confusion that you have and to get clarity. Let me help you turn your confusion into clarity. Let me help you gain the skills you need. Don't be scared. We all need help. It taught me to make big decisions, right? When I got help, I was able to make those big decisions. Don't hesitate to reach out. Just message or call or contact us on this very website to get started.